Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did my Disney Zombies 2 inspired nail art. Here are all of my base colors. White for my thumb and middle nail, neon pink for my index and ring nail, and maroon for my pinky nail. For my index and ring nail, I added 3 striping tapes on the tip of my nail. Then I am applying white nail polish on top, creating 2 white lines. Then I'm removing the tapes. After letting the white polish dry, I'm applying a silver nail polish on the lower white line. And neon green for the upper white line. This design is inspired by Addison's uniform. Now let's move on to the middle nail. I'm applying a violet, blue, and green shades onto a cosmetic sponge because I'm doing an ombre background. By the way, I'm doing this ombre base for my middle and thumbnail. Oh, and I also applied liquid latex around the skin of my nails for an easy cleanup. Now I'm doing the cleanup. After that, I'm sealing the gradient or ombre base with a thick coat of glossy top coat. Then after letting that to dry, I used a tiny circle shape from a stamping plate, and now I'm filling it in with white nail polish, and this will serve as the moon. Then after stamping it, I'm using this wolf design. By the way, the colors of the ombre were inspired by the colors of the poster. Now for my pinky nail. I'm using this chain pattern. This is inspired by Zed's maroon with chains outfit on the poster. And on my thumb, I'll be painting Z2. And I'm using a white acrylic paint. And now I'm using nail polish to add some colors. Then I also added a white outline. After letting all of my designs dry, I applied a thick coat of glossy top coat. And there you guys have it. That's how I did my Disney Zombies 2 inspired nail art. If you missed my Disney Zombies inspired nail art last year, well, click on the iCard above. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. And make sure to follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!